Let's go check out what Black Fridays has on Dollar Day on the McRae location. If you guys are liking this video, if you like content like this, please do me a favor, smash the like button, leave a comment below, subscribe if you can. It's greatly appreciated. Here we got books, and more books. Always a good buy on Dollar Day. Sold this book a few times already, about $2 profit a book. Say it cost about $15 to ship, the most. I'd say about $20 profit right there. Easy $5 right here. I'll take $5 all day, every day. As I'm editing this video, I already sold this item. I made about $10, and as you can see, the box is sealed and it's unexpired. So that's a good sale right there. Easy pickup. This book is $14.95 on Amazon, brand new. I could not find any sold comps on eBay, so I'll list it for about $1 cheaper on eBay. When I say good rank, that's how good something sells on Amazon. So 87,000 in books out of 63 million books is a really good rank. With random sports shirts like these, I'll just count them as $5 profit. I already have a New York Knicks backpack for a child from a different Dollar Day, so I'm gonna lot this hat up with it as a dad's hat plus child's backpack and sell it together, and I hope to profit about $15 at least. I love replenishables. I already had a listing for a 4-pack, sold it right away. Cha-ching! That's a good rank, 100,000 in books on Amazon. I didn't find any sold comps on eBay, so I'll just list it for $1 cheaper and see what happens. I've sold that book before. The Threat, easy $1 to $2 profit if I wanted to pick it up, but I got a bunch at home. This book I'm gonna sell for $10.99. There's only one comp on eBay, one sale for $15, brand new. So I'm gonna sell it for $10.99 and make about $5. This is actually a spool for the Dymo 450 Turbo, so I'm gonna take that. Should be an easy $10. Comps were all over the place for this item, so let's just say I'll sell it at $9, profit around $4 to $5. No comps to compare this to. Just thought I'd take a chance on it. So I'm gonna say $4. I got my tax exempt sales and use permit, son. Now it's back to the eBay storage unit. I'll show you guys what I got on Dollar Day here at Black Friday. I realized I left out like 2 or 3 products, so my buy cost would have been about 23. My profit would have been a little over 200. Me comparing the spool I found to the spool I already have. Exact same thing. Man, oh man, I love selling coffee. Every time I post the coffee, it usually sells within a day or 2. So this whole bag was purchased the day before on $2 day. A lot of stuff is brand new, and if you look at the tags, a lot of the stuff says $20 to $30. So I expect between $5 to $10 for each. Maybe more on some of the shirts. And now I'll show you a little walk around my dirty storage unit. I try to keep it clean, but it's kind of hard. And right now I just do a free-for-all because I don't have a good inventory system. So everything's kind of thrown everywhere. But I do sell stuff really fast, so I don't have a lot of stuff all at once. That's a plus. Those hooks you see, I bought them for $1 at Dollar Tree. I think it was like a pack of 6 for $1, and I just screwed them right in. After filming this, I went and bought some bins and put the coffee all in order. So now it doesn't look all chaotic like that. I keep all my receipts in this mailbox for end of the year tax purposes. Alright, this wraps up the video. This was shopping on Dollar Day at McRae, Black Friday store at McRae. If you guys like the video, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll keep putting more videos out there for y'all. Thank you guys. Bye.